Hi there. Today we're going to be speaking about a Ford Mondeo MK1, the one that's been built between November 93 and 96. And as you know, after a certain time, you've got a light that shows up on the dashboard telling you that you need to service the car. So if you service the car yourself, that light will still stay on, which can be a bit annoying, especially if you want something that reminds you when to do it. So in this video, I will show you how to reset it. So the light I'm talking about is this one right here. This light is for the servicing of the car. We need to change the oil, filters, etc. But obviously once it's done, you need to reset that light. So I will show you how to reset it now. So the secret lies actually in the glove box that you will need to open. So we open it, and now we will need to remove it. To remove the glove box, it's pretty straightforward. Once it's open, you slightly pull it towards you and it disengages. It's held here at the top, on the other side as well. Okay. And now inside the glove box, you will see you've got that little button with the same icon as on the dashboard. So to reset the car, you need to put the ignition on and press this for 5 seconds, and the light will reset. In case this doesn't work, like this one for instance doesn't work, you will need to check if the button is actually working fine, because after a few years it can be a problem. It can be a wire problem as well. So if you pass your hand behind it, you take it off, okay, and just by looking at here, here I can see there's a problem with the cables here. I can see that the previous owner or peeled it, or I don't know what has happened. Okay, so anyway, what I will do now is take a cable, connect it on this one and on this one, and I will bypass the button. Okay, if this still doesn't work, then obviously you need to look a bit further in the car, fuse, etc. Okay, but anyway, this is how you reset the car. And normally once it's done, you won't see any more light on your dashboard. So I hope this would have been useful to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. Well, my friends, I hope you enjoyed the video that I've shown you and you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel and give me a like. And if you feel like it, you can leave me a comment as well. Well, see you on the next video.